In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com and Facebook. To start, open your browser and go to your Monday.com account's homepage. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has admin or the appropriate permissions, because we'll be adjusting settings and installing an app from the marketplace. Once you're on the home screen, look towards the main navigation area at the top or left side of the screen. You'll see an option that opens your account or workspace menu. Click on that highlighted area to reveal more settings. From the menu that appears, choose Administration. This is where you can manage account-level settings and apps for your entire Monday.com workspace. Inside the Administration area, look for the section called Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This will bring you to the place where you can see installed apps and browse for new ones. Now find and select the option that says Explore Marketplace. This opens the Monday.com app marketplace, where you can search for integrations, including Facebook. In the marketplace search bar, type the word Meta. Facebook integrations are now typically grouped under Meta, so this will help you find the correct app. After the results load, look for the official app that is published by Monday.com. Click on that app to open its details page. On that page, make sure you're on the built-in tab or section so you can access the main integration setup. Then click on Use App to start adding it to your account. You'll now be asked where you want to use this app. Choose your main workspace. If you see main workspace more than once in the list, select the primary one you use for your projects. After that, you'll be prompted to choose a specific board where the Facebook campaigns should sync. Click on Choose a Board, then select the board named Project or whichever project board you want to use. Confirm that choice if the project board appears again, and then choose a workspace if prompted, making sure it matches where that board lives. Once your workspace and board are selected, click on Add App to complete the installation and connection to that location. After the app is added, you'll see automation recipes or integration options. Look for the one that says, Every time period, sync each campaign from account to an item, and click on it. This sets up an ongoing sync, so your Facebook campaigns will automatically appear as items on your chosen Monday.com board, keeping your data up to date without manual work.